Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way, just got in town, and I won't let come in this cloud. Long in the sky, ruin my
This is our first time in our new house.
Usually I don't do this often, but since recording isn't an option due to unusual.
What's up, YouTube? It's Mieko and I'm at my new apartment in Houston, Texas. And we got the babies over here. So this is our first day at our new home, and I want to give you guys look. Come on, guys. It's hot now. See, I know where I'm from, it's like really hot, but Houston is humid and like it's not just dry heat like Vegas. So here we are. Kids are very excited, and so I'm gonna start by locking my door. So I guess we get 2 nice locks. We got some room over here behind me, a window, and then as we're coming in, this is the living room, and this is the balcony. Slide this open. This is the balcony, and yes, it has a screen attached to keep the flies and bugs out, which is really nice. It's another storage space over there, it looks like. Now let's continue on through the house. It is so hot. Now this is the dining room here, and it comes with this nice light and this mirror. Check her out. And the kitchen. I don't know why the doors are out, but yeah. It is rather small, but I have lots of counter space, which I love. Oh, we have a pantry! Hallelujah! Oh my gosh, that's what I need for all of our snacks. What the? Are you serious?
Michael Jordan? Oh,
It came with a Jordan sticker. Here is the freezer.
Ooh, that's cold.
You think this is bigger than our last fridge? Let's see. Ultimate test. About the same size, but yeah, looks better. Stainless steel. And then we have an electric stove again, but it's okay. And it's got this light.
Oh, that's a pretty light.
You can put the fan. Alright, where's my checklist at? No. What does that say? Okay, they came in spray for pest control roaches. So yeah, then we get this very large mirror, like I said. Mina, I think I'm gonna let you show them your room. I haven't even been in my room yet. I'm super excited. Kids.
What's that? So this is the kitchen. This one is my room. It's big, it's nice, and the floor, by the way, is so pretty. It's like my socks, like this sock right here.
Oh, it's nice and oh, I like this. Oh, double dented ceiling.
This is the outside of my window.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so if you go over here, this is my closet.
This big ass closet.
It's like a walk-in closet.
Oh, this is somebody's room right here.
Yeah.
Yay! Show them. Show them. We're inside the closet. Can y'all believe how spacious this closet is? Let me turn around. Y'all can't even begin to really understand how spacious. And I wonder if this is really the kids' room. Hey, get off of there. Let's not make this a habit already. Wait, does this light dim? No. Okay, it doesn't dim, but it looks like it would, kind of. Okay, let's get out of here. Yes.
And right here, when you walk in the closet. You got my back.
Wait, whoa. A big old back. What, the lights are flickering?
Sloppy down.
Let's see. Don't do that. There is the shower and the bath tub and the toilet.
The toilet.
Storage. That's your medicine cabinet. So that's the kids' room.
Your room.
That's like how the ceilings and is. This is the first time of me stepping into my room. Ooh, it's pretty spacious. Y'all can't even really see. I need a wider lens. Whoever wants to sponsor me, let me know. I'll promote the hell out of your lens. Ooh, and I got an even larger walk-in closet. Let's walk in. And it's got keys to hang up shit. Oh, I'm gonna have to let them know that this is already broke upon moving. Here's proof. Proof in the book. Yes, this is my bathroom. So walk in. Lights here.
I've never seen your bathroom.
There's that. Lights. There's me. Your favorite YouTuber. And storage space, okay. Yeah, I like my circulation.
Arguing, trifling, difficult, let more. I don't know why you love me.
So, let's see if it looks better if I do that. If it looks better.
Nobody else made it smooth. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick.
How do you like it, children? Thank you. Delilah. Hey, do you like our new house? Yes? Nina, you like it?
Yeah.
Papa.
Hey there, mommy.
Do you like our new house?
Hey there, mommy.
I don't want this one, thank you.
Yes.
Alright. That about wraps it up. Here comes Papa.
Here comes Papa.
With all the nails. Is that how you ask? Damn. Don't say that. And while we're here, make sure you go like, subscribe, and comment what you like, what you don't like. Just leave a comment down below and check out some of my other videos.
You should break the subscribe button.
Break it.
And get the 1 million likes now, please.
And we gotta go move, so goodbye. Say bye, Lila. Say bye, YouTube. Papa. Papa. Say bye.
Bye.
Lila, you like your new room? We gotta get your stuff. We gotta go get your toys. Yeah, that'd be cute. The kids have a walk-in closet. That is great. I like this tile backsplash and these countertops. The dishwasher as well. The sink is a little deeper than our last place. I like this. The oven. All right, let's get out of here. That's my room. Huh, Aminah? Yeah, I'm done. Say hi to YouTube. Papa, what you doing, Sonny?
Pop, can I get a hug? Papu, give me a hug. I took off my shoes.
Yep. I like this backsplash. I can see myself filming some cooking videos in here and stuff. We used to have to walk like at least, it was like 18 minutes to get there.
You got this. You hear me?
Yep.
Don't let nobody destroy your peace.
Yeah.
Always remember who you are to God. You remember that, and that'll win every time. I told her, once she left that nigga, I would leave her, like, period. And I started off with the bed. I was not playing. And she said the angel pictures give her strength. Like, every time she come here, she can feel something coming from the angel wing pictures. I said, yeah, right, take them.
There's bubbles. Somebody blowing bubbles. See the swings?
I'm gonna talk to Paul and I'm gonna